question says find the missing angle. Okay, in this figure, so we have a triangle extended. So the exterior angle is 150 degree. We have interior angle x. We have 40 degree. We have to look for x. So how do we calculate that? So solution. Okay. So for exterior angle, it equals the sum of the two opposite interior angle. So that means x, okay, plus this, which is 40 degree, gives 150 degree. Okay, the sum of the two opposite interior angle equals the exterior angle. So how do we get x? So we subtract this from 150. Okay, so we say x equals 150 degree minus 40 degree. So here we have the value of x to be 110 degree. So by the time we have 110 here as x and we add it to 40, we have 150 degree.